last video we did a sewn mask. This time we're going to do a quick no-sew mask. You can use a bandana or any piece of fabric that's 22 inches square. I couldn't find a bandana, so I'm going to use this. You could use an old sheet, anything you have around the house. You can use a coffee filter as an extra layer of protection. Just lay that right in the middle of the mask and then fold your fabric in thirds toward the middle. And then fold it up again toward the middle. Take your hair ties or rubber bands or even string, if that's what you have in your house. Put it on the edge there. And this one goes on this side. And then you fold again in thirds toward the middle. To reduce some of the bulk, you can tuck one of these ends into the other. Just like that. And then, that easy, we've made a fabric mask. Just like that.